Ready to supercharge your USAA content and connect with your dream audience? Let's jump into a guide on the vital role of hashtags in maximizing your online impact. First off, hashtags, they act as digital signposts, directing viewers to relevant topics. Think of them as searchable keywords, perfect for finding resources. These are phrases preceded by the #hash. This helps categorize and boost your content's visibility. Where to use this tool? Anywhere your US-centric content lives. Focus on social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even YouTube. This ensures your message resonates with your ideal audience. Now, the how to integrate hashtags directly into your posts. Combine specific and broad terms. For example, use hashtag USAA insurance alongside hashtag insurance, broadening viewership, bringing in relevant communities. Critical advice: choose your hashtags with care. Research popular USAA hashtags. Consider what your audience might be searching for. A little digging can go a long way. And don't forget, data is gold. Track what works: likes, shares, comments. Refine your hashtag strategy based on performance. Experiment and adapt to stay on top of trends and maximize success. In summary, hashtags are your friends. Use them intelligently. Conduct good research. Track your progress. Get connected. Now go create impactful USAA content and enhance your brand's presence.